गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू रिजल्टेंट एज सिविल एंड मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग। आप सभी का अगेन मोस्ट वेलकम एंड स्वागत। मैं एमडी शर्मा। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट our last topic. We have discussed divisibility concept. Today I will also discuss the same topic for the next content. Now there is an information for you all. If you want to join our paid batch, then we are conducting a scholarship test, that is resultant scholarship test offer RRB JE 2024 new batch. These are the discounts in your applications paid batch. With the rank first to third, go for the 90% scholarship. 4th to 10th rank, go for the 80% scholarship. 11 to 50, 60% off. 51, 75, 50%. So now it is the information, and you can scan this QR and go for the application. The date of this test was 7 and 8 September. You can see here 7 and 8 September on application. So you can download the app. Now come to the our topic which we are discussing in this series. So we are discussing about the divisibility concept, and today we are little late due to some technical reasons. Now we are going to start. Please focus on the board. We have studied last session about the divisibility concept of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13. है ना? Correct? So we have discussed about these divisibilities in the last session. You can also see the session on come to the playlist. And now we started from the combined divisibility rule of 7, 11, 13. That was what? 7, 11, 13. Combined divisibility rule. Combined divisibility rule. What did he say? According to this rule, the difference of after making a pair of three digits like 6, 8, 6, 4, 0, 6, 62. That is a 6-digit number, and we want to check, is it divisible by 7, is it divisible by 11, is it divisible by 13 or not. So in this case, what you will do, you will make the pair from right side of 3 digits here, 3 digits here, and after creating the pairs, you will do what? You will create the difference between two pairs. The difference of two pairs will be what? It will be 22. Difference of two pairs will be what? It will be 22. The difference is divisible by, if 7, the number will be divisible by 7. If difference will be divisible by 11, the number will be divisible by 11. If difference will be divisible by 13, the number will be divisible by 13. So now we will check here. The 22, 22nd cannot divide by 7. So this number will not be divisible by 7. 22 can divisible by 11, definitely. The number can be divisible by 11. And 22 cannot divided by, complete divisible by 13. So also this number cannot divisible by 13. So only divisible by 11. This is the concept. After creating the pairs of three digits from the right and right, after creating difference, after finding the difference, and you will check out single. If difference will divisible by 7, 11 or 13, in that case, the particular given number will be definitely divisible by the same number, which is completely going to divide in the difference. Correct? So now, please confirm. Everything is clear here now. So come to the next. Now we will discuss about single divisibility of 11 what? I wrote here 2975 3. I want to know, I want to check, is it divisible by 11? Is it divisible by 11 or not? So one combined rule I have told about 7, 11, 13 already. I just want to discuss the divisibility concept of 11. Then now please check one thing here. Add the alternate number. Okay? 2 plus 9, 7 plus 3. Sorry, 2 plus 7, 9 plus 3, 12. And the remaining alternate digit what? 14. And difference of these number is not divisible by 11 or not 0. The number cannot be completely divided by 11. So there is, that is alternate method of checking the divisibility of 11. You can add the alternate number, find out the sum, and remaining number sum, difference will be divisible by 11, then number will be definitely divisible by 11. This is the concept of 11. Now come to the one thing. We have discussed some divisibilities like 88. If any number multiply with 11, it becomes what? 88. So there is no separate divisibility of 88. So you can check two divisibilities here. If you will check divisibility of 8, I told you what is the divisibility of 8 depend on the last three digit of the number. Right? Ones, sorry, unit, tens or 100. Correct. Now divisibility of 11 I told you recently. So if both divisibility will work, the number definitely divisible by 88. And now 91, it breaks 7 into 13. If you want to check the divisibility of 91, then what you will do? You will check the divisibility of 7 and 13 parallelly. If both divisibility will work, any number, that number will completely divisible by 91. Correct? So we can say one thing here. These are also some combined divisibilities, or we can say these are the divisibility of type of co-prime numbers, because 8 and 11 co-prime each other, 7 and 13 also co-prime pair each other. So I recently in the last class told you the co-prime numbers divisibility concept. If the multiplication of two co-prime numbers becomes the result will be depend on the two numbers which we have got multiplication by both numbers. Correct? So now please tell once. Now come to the next. Now we will discuss a rule of combined divisibility 7, 11, 13. We have discussed in the last video. 7, 11, 13, after multiplying it, it becomes what? It becomes 1, 0, 0, 1. If any number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13, then the number always will be divisible by 1, 0, 0, 1. In that case, we also know one thing here, that if any number multiplied by 1, 0, 0, 1, then you can say one thing, what? 1, 0, 0, 1 multiply with ABC. It becomes what? If you multiply a number by 1, 0, 0, 1 with 3-digit number, the number written in 2 times same. If that is ABC, it's written also ABC, it's also ABC. It will written 2 times. correct? So now, if any problem, then confirm with me. So I can again say what? If 1001 multiplied by xyz, it will be written what? Xyz, xyz. So it means I can also again take example 1001 multiply by 123. It will be written what? 123, 123. Correct? 123, 123. So this is the concept. In that concept, examiner can ask question. Then how we will see here. If 456 xyz is divisible by what? 7, 11 and 13. What? 7, 11 and 13. So examiner want to know what? 7, 11 and 13. So find the value of x plus y plus z. So see this question. This is very fantastic question here. You can see one thing. The values is divisible by, the number is divisible by 7, 11, 13. So we can see also its multiplication will be completely divide. It becomes 1001. And we know very well, if any 3-digit number multiplied with 1001 becomes 2 times same. If it's 456, it will definitely 456. Value of x becomes 4, value of y becomes 5, value of z becomes 6. So after adding it becomes what? Examiner want to know value of x plus y plus z. 4 plus 5 plus 6. It becomes what? 10, 5, 15. The value of x plus y plus z will be what? The value of x plus y plus z will be 15. Correct? So again, write down it. I will give you some such examples and you have to solve that. Please write down and comment fast. Now come to the such another example here. If x 7 z 5 y 4 is divisible by what? 7, 11 and 13. 7, 11 and 13. Examiner want to know the value of, find the value of 2x minus y plus z. Find the value of 2x minus y plus z. Please solve it. It's a very simple question. You just go for the concept of 7, 11, 13 divisibility, and also check here one thing, that what will be the value of x, y, z, and after solving it, you can definitely find out the value of 2x minus y plus z. Please solve. Hope you have solved this. Now, please see one thing here. 7, 11, 13. After multiplying 7, 11, 13, what it will becomes? 1, 0, 0, 1. It becomes what? 1, 0, 0, 1. And if you will multiply with any 3-digit number, suppose x, y, z, it becomes what? X, y, z, x, y, z. And now you know very well what? You know very well one thing here. It is x, y, z, and it is also x, y, z. So put the value here, x, y, and 4. This is same. The value of x will be 5, value of y will be 7, and value of z equal to 4. Examiner want to know the value of 2x minus y, 2x minus y plus z. So 2x means 10. If x is 5, then 2x will be what? 2x will be 10 minus 7 plus 4. It becomes 14 minus 7, it is 7. So value of 2x minus y plus z will be what? It will be 2x, sorry, minus 1 plus z will be what? 7. That is confirmed. कोई problem वाली बात नहीं. So now, I also want to give you some information in the scholarship test conducting by the Resultant. So I have already told in starting of the session. Also, I am going to introduce you again. So this is the information. This is the information about this Resultant scholarship test batch for RRB JE new batch 2024. Here giving ranks and here giving such scholarship percentage. This is the team है ना, of your this batch. Richa ma'am and all these faculties will take the sessions here, and as timing and also 30 questions and 30 minutes given here. The test will be online mode. If you want to join win 90% scholarship, then scan this QR है ना here. That is now duration is also mentioned here. Examination date 7th and 8th September on application. If you want to more detail in this, so you can call or WhatsApp on this given number. So now, thank you very much. Okay, so connect with this scholarship soon or enroll in this batch on your discounted offer. Now, come to the point. So, I'm writing a question based on the divisibility of 11. 98143 Find the value of x. Find the value of x if the number is divisible by 11. The number is divisible by 11. So now check one thing here. I told you recently what you can go for the alternate letters 9, 1, 10, 13 plus x. 13 plus x. Correct? And now 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2 becomes what? 14. If its difference will be 0 and difference cannot be more than 11 because maximum digit can be 9. है ना? So we cannot create difference 11. So we can create difference 0 because 0 will be divisible by 11. So what value we can put the take place of x, then the number becomes 0. If that is 14 and that is 13 plus x, the value of x will be 1. If you will write 1 here, definitely number will be divisible by 11. The number definitely becomes divisible by 11. है ना? So if you want to check these such values and find the values, you can go for the concept of divisibility of 11 by the alternate digit. है ना? Add the alternate digit and add the remaining alternate digit, and after that you can create the difference. Can be 0, 11, 22, depend on the value. Maximum value of x can be 9 because digit can be 9. Maximum digit that can be possible, that is 9. So if you will put here 9, then 9 and what? 33. 13 becomes what? 22. After minus 14, it becomes never 11. So minimum value can be possible, that is 0 of this difference. So now, please, next. So now come to the next some questions we want to solve also here. write down the question first. I'm writing here. So please write here the 6-digit number 6x2904 is divisible by 11, is divisible by 11, sorry 88 है ना. The find the value of x, find the value of x, find the value of x, correct. So now see one thing here please, you know very well 88 becomes by what multiplication, 8 into 11 I told recently. So now check the two divisibilities here. First is 8 and second will be 11. So we can find out one thing here, and I will check one thing here, please wait. Number is correct now. So we will check one thing here, the number is definitely divisible by 8. Then we will check one thing. So now 904 divided by 8. 8 is a what? 8 tens are 80. 8 1 जा 8 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, becomes 1. 8 1 जा 8 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, 2 and 4, 8 3 जा 24. Definitely divisibility of 8 is already working, so we can solve it by using 11 divisibility. So now add x with 2 with there, then it becomes what? It becomes 6 plus 2 8, correct, and it becomes 13 plus x, 13 plus x. So difference cannot be 0, that difference cannot be 0, but you can create it 11. In what value we can minus, it becomes 11, that will be 19. In 19 you will minus 8, becomes result 11. So if you want to create it 19, the value of x will be 6. If you will put the 6 here, it becomes 19. 19 minus 8 becomes 11. So the answer will be x what? 6. Correct? Please confirm, is it clear or not? If everything is clear, so please confirm. Come to the another question of this topic. Now write another question on the same pattern. Nine eight 5x 3 6 7 8y is 9-digit number divisible by 72, is divisible by 72. And examiner want to know what? Examiner want to know the value of 4x minus 3y. Find the value of 4x minus 3y. Find the value of 4x minus 3y. So please try to solve this question. Try once. It's a very fantastic question, and you can already know about divisibility of 72. It's 8 multiply 9. So divisibility of 8 and 9. where will be followed the number definitely divisible by 72. You know very well. Try to solve this. Please solve it fast. Now, if you find out the value of that question, so we will try with the two divisibilities, and you know very well last three digits depend on the divisibility. Huh? So now, if you want to find the value of y, if you will divide by 8 to 7, 8y. So now 8 9 ja 72, result will be 6, and 8 8 ja will be 7, 64. So 8 8 ja 64. So if we want to hear 4, then it becomes definitely 4. The value of y will be 4. If the value of y will be 4, then you can find the value of x. You can find out the value of x. How? So now you can cancel the pair of 9. Then 9 will be cancelled. 3 and 6 will be 9 cancelled. 5 and 4 will be 9 cancelled. And 8 and 7, 15. If you want to divide by 9, the result will be 15, means x will be 3. If 7, 8, 15 plus x, if you want the number will be divided by 9, then you have to put the value of x will be 3. So now value of x is 3 and value of y is 4. Examiner want to know 4x minus 3y. So 4x means 12 minus 3y. Y multiply 3 means 4 will be 0. And now we can check the option. What is the value of it? Definitely its value will be 0 in the option. Four x minus 3y. So x is 3 here. 9 cancelled. Sorry, है ना? We missed such numbers here. We have missed such value here. Please wait. We have to erase it here, please. Sorry. We have cancelled 9. We have cancelled 3 6. We have cancelled 5 4. But here 2 8s and 7 remains here. 2 8s and 7 remains here means what? 8 and 8 16 and 7 what? 23 plus x. If you want to divide it by 9, it should be what? It should be what? It should be 4. बिल्कुल 27 बनाना, 27 बनाना पड़ेगा. X will be 4. X will not be 3. X will be 4 because we forgot the value of 8 here. है ना? So now, if x is 4 and y is also 4, then what you will do? है ना? So 4x minus 3y. 4x means 16 minus 12 will be what? 4. Sorry for that. Answer will be 4, not 0. है ना? I forgot the 8 in the calculation because I'm taking class from morning. है ना? Getting too much late, and I have also 7 p.m. class, 6 p.m. class, 9 p.m. class, 10 p.m. class. So there is so hectic schedule. है ना? Thank you very much for joining us. Now it's time to close your class because 6 p.m. I have to go for my class, offline class in Jammu and Kashmir. So thank you very much. To stay with and learn with Resultant team. And now I am informing another information in the last. So if you want to join our batch, there is an offer for a scholarship test, है ना? This is the offer price here, RRB JE 2024 batch. You can join it, and 7th and 8th September, that will be online test. The question will be 30, minute will be 30, subjects will be mentioned here. What? That will be reasoning, maths, GA and GS, correct? You can see here, it is not working properly, hopefully. Reasoning, maths, GA and GS. This is the faculties who create the mock test and will teach you in the paid batch. Thank you very much for joining for us. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.